Assalamu alaikum grade 7. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So as you know that we have started our chapter number 4, and that is done from the book. The reading is done. Now we are going to start our summer pack worksheet unit 4. Okay. The process by which water is lost from the leaves of a plant is called, वो process जिसे water loss करता है leaves से, that is called transpiration. We have read it. Food is transported is in phloem as, food कैसे transport होता है? That is transported in the form of sucrose. Okay. Roots absorb water through, from where they absorb water through the root hairs, then it is transported to the other parts, inner parts. Now fill in the blanks. The process by which food by photosynthesis made by photosynthesis are moved in a plant is called, वो process जिसके through food जो है वो move होता है plant से, that process is called translocation. Okay. Mineral salts are absorbed into cells. How they are absorbed? They are absorbed by the process of diffusion. By diffusion. Sap rises in a plant because of osmosis. What was sap? The solution of glucose and mineral salts in water in the roots. We have read that is called cell sap, and how it is rises in a plant, कैसे ये ऊपर जाता है? Through the osmosis. Now what is transpiration stream? Answer the following question. So page number 35. Page number 35, you will write the answer from here. Water evaporates. Okay, you will start from here. Water evaporates from the leaves and diffuses out of the tiny pores, the stomata, on the underside of the leaves. Water बाहर निकल जाता है, डिफ्यूज आउट हो जाता है टाइनी पोर्स के थ्रू, स्टोमेटा के थ्रू, जो कि लीव्स के अंडर साइड, नीचे वाली साइड पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं. एज द वाटर इज एवेपोरेटेड, जैसे ही वाटर बाहर निकलता है, मोर इज ड्रॉन आउट ऑफ द जाइलम टू रिप्लेस इट, नीचे से और वाटर खींच लिया जाता है थ्रू द जाइलम, ताकि वो ऊपर वाला वाटर जो निकल गया है उसकी जगह को रिप्लेस किया जा सके. एज द जाइलम सेल फॉर्म अ सीरीज ऑफ कंटिन्यूस ट्यूब फ्रॉम द लीव्स, के एक सीरीज बन जाती है, ऊपर से वो एवेपोरेट होता जाता है और नीचे से उसको ड्रॉ किया जाता है, खींचा जाता है. ठीक है. सो डाउन द स्टेम टू द रूट देयर इज़ अ फ्लो ऑफ वाटर एंड डिजॉल्व मिनरल सॉल्ट फ्रॉम द रूट्स टू द लीव्स, के एक फ्लो बन जाता है वाटर और डिजॉल्व मिनरल सॉल्ट का, कहाँ से? रूट से लेकर लीव्स तक. दिस फ्लो इज कॉल्ड transpiration stream. Okay, you can write it in simple language in your own words. Okay. The next question is, what is the difference between xylem and phloem? So the answer is on page number 31. The first answer you can write their construction, that how they are made, and the second one about their function. Okay. So what is their construction? Xylem consists of long empty dead cells which form tiny tubes called vessel. Okay, but phloem consists of living cells. उसके dead cells होते हैं और उसके living cells arranged end to end. Okay, so one difference is there, and the second difference, if we say about their function, xylem moves water and dissolve mineral salt from the roots to the leaves. Phloem moves food substances from the leaves where they were made to the rest of the plant. So these two differences you can write. If you find any other, you can write in your own words. Okay. Now we have done our worksheet. In the next class we will do its question answers, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.